All right, we need to sketch the graph of the inverse of this function. We're going to apply these notes here. We're going to graph the parent, get its transformations, and then get the trig in there. Okay? All right, B5. The parent function is y equals x to the fifth. So if I substitute in x equals 0, if I put in a 0 here, I get 0. If I put a 1, 1 to the fifth power is 1. And if I get 2 to the fifth power, 4, 8, 16, 32, it is off the charts, right? I basically put it off the graph almost. And same thing over here. So this would be my parent graph. It is a odd degree function here. Okay, so what does the negative, let's do the 1/4. So all the numbers are still the same, right? 0 to the fifth power is 0. 0 times 1/4 is 0. 1 to the fifth power is 1, and 1 times 1/4 is 1/4, or 0.25. So that's why I have it there. 2 to the fifth power is 32, and 32 times 1 is 32, and 32 divided by 4 is 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. And then you basically do the same thing on the other side. -1, 1/4, and then -2, you get 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so that's just the negative, that's just the 1/4. Let's just graph that really quickly. Okay, now to apply the negative, basically means it's going to swing across the x-axis. So now we're going across this one. So you still have it here. That point's going a little bit across, and then at 2, you're going to go at 8, and then over here, it's going across the x-axis, and then right 2, you're going to go down to 8, something like this. Okay, so here's our graph. Whoops. Let's try that again. Good thing about erasers, or even digital erasers. Okay. Okay, now we need to apply the rotation of the orange 90 degrees towards the left. Okay, so what's going to happen is my graph is going to be like this now. That's the 0.25, and then the 8 would be 2, 4, 6, 8 here. And then this one's going to be the same thing, 0.25, and then 2 at 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 right here. Okay, so this is now my new graph in that yellow. Okay, get a little messy. And then the last thing is we need to reflect it over the y-axis. So let's not lose sight of our colors. We're the yellow, and now we need to go over this one. So we're going back this way now. And then this would still be at 8. Same thing over here, just barely at 0.25, and then you go down 2, and then I'm going to go 8 here. So here is my inverse, and definitely messy, which I apologize, but try to make that more clear by going through. And we said that those in white were the points. Okay, so that's how you get the graph of the inverse of that one.